Bearings are necessary for almost any mechanical system and other machining elements that require rotational movement. Bearing sizes can vary from 2 mm or 0.08 inches for electronic system to 7,000 mm or 275 inches for wind turbine powers. ISCAR provides complete solution for machining all type of bearing rings in all sizes, for ball bearings, roller bearings, spherical, needle, truss, taper bearings, and also linear bearings and bearing housings. ISCAR supports any bearing design with advanced machining solutions that ensure maximum performance, efficiency, and preciseness. Most of the small to medium-sized bearing rings are produced in mass production methods in transfer lines on single-task machines which are able to perform 1 or 2 operations at a time, and few machines of this type are needed to complete an entire part. Other mass production options are multi-spindle machines or dedicated CNC lathes. ISCAR has the knowledge and experience in providing comprehensive solutions for a variety of bearing ring-related applications with very efficient tools for parting, grooving, trepanning, profiling, and turning operations. ISCAR advanced carbide grades enable extended and stable tool life for long runs on 100 CR6, the most popular bearing steel. Multi-corner inserts ensure attractive and low cost per cutting edge. For example, standard penta inserts feature economic advantages due to their 5 cutting edges that can be used successfully in parting operations. Special penta inserts can be ground for precision grooving and profiling operation for seal grooves, raceway, snap ring grooves, chamfering, and undercutting operations. Other special penta inserts, as well as our BGR type inserts, are designed for trepanning operations. Trepanning is the separation of outer and inner rings from one thick forged ring blank. ISCAR's tailor-made inserts are designed with unique chip formers which direct the chips into or away from the spindle to ensure easy and effective chip evacuation. This enables continuous cycles without machine stops. For all the typical grooving operations on all ring types, ISCAR provides also ground, triangular, and square type Cermet inserts. Wide XNUW inserts from the V-Log family and FTB inserts up to 51 mm widths or 2 inches are offered for machining wide profile, mostly on multi-spindle machines for ordinary external and internal type holders, as well as for dovetail tools. For turning operations, ISCAR's ISO-turn insert can be used for outer and inner ring machining. For the small to medium-sized rings, ISCAR recommends the economical flash turn line, which features smaller insert sizes to machine up to 3.5 mm depth of cut or up to 0.14 inches with a variety of chip formers. The flash turn inserts will ensure high machining removal rates with significant cost reduction per cutting edge. The CVD coated grade IC8250 is recommended for rough turning operation and IC8150 for finishing operations. Another finishing recommended grade with PVD coating is the IC807. For turning of hardened rings up to 62 Rockwell C, ISCAR offers ceramic and CBN inserts for high-speed machining. By using this insert, grinding operations can be eliminated. I would like to remind you to download the ISCAR World app, the new Industry 4 standard for increased productivity. Thank you.